Hey, good afternoon, everyone. This is Jared with Carbon Digital. So, today we're going to go over something pretty sweet, um, the ability to customize your forms. And so, this is a form that I've embedded here into a dashboard, and I already have the email auto populated so the client doesn't have to type in their email every time. So, this is just a really quick trick to make things even more user friendly for your clients. Uh, you can actually customize this every time, which is pretty slick. So first, I have my normal form here that just where they have to type in their email, right? So what I did was I created a separate form that was specific for this, and it's got the same information. Um, Instead of on this general support ticket form here, this is a text, and they also have an upload option. But on this one, I did a little differently. I created a drop down and no form upload here. But here on the email option, if you go inside here, I created a custom field. Just click on the custom field button, and I called it account email. And then I dropped it in here. But you can see here that it's hidden. So click on this ellipsis here and check this hidden field. So what that does is that actually hides it from visibility, and you can see that when you switch to viewing. You can see that it's not there, right? The purpose for this is to actually pass in URL parameters, custom field values, and this is really, really useful. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the share button. We're just going to copy the direct link. So you can see it here, copy, paste. Now here in the URL parameters, you'll see that it says account email XX, right? So we're just going to replace that with your client's email. So my email is actually, there we go, there's my email. But because this is a hidden field, I want to take this a step further. So I'm just going to copy all of that up through the email, put an and then another email. So what that's going to do is that's actually going to fill in this account email field, and it's going to fill in the email field. Really simple to do. All right, and then hit enter. So now when they come to this, their email's already pre-filled. That's going to be really, really useful, especially when you go into uh, stuff where, let's say that you create a custom, um, let's say you create a custom doc in here, which I guess I can show you my template folder. Yep. So I have a reference doc, and in here, submit new tasks. I just delete that. Use our primary form. Boom. Put a link in there. Boom. So now when they click on the primary form, it automatically populates that information, which is really awesome for things like this reference doc, as well as if you're going to send out some automated emails, you can actually convert this into variables to automatically input that information. You can do a lot of cool stuff, but this is just a simplified version. So that's going to be really, really useful. To take things a step further, I'm going to get rid of that. Oops. To take things a step further, I'm going to switch back to ClickUp here. So I got to go to my tickets, support. Cool. And here we have the form. So to take that a step further, we're going to click on this share and then click the iframe. Copy. And then what I've done here is I've created a custom widget script for WordPress, and here is that iframe code. So all I have to do is take out all of this code here, replace the two quotes, paste it in, and you can see right here, this is that same URL. So all I have to do is type in email, and if I want to take it a step further, add in the second email field and hit save. So now when I refresh this, it's going to update that email address. Boom. So now the client can quickly come in here, select this is urgent, our website, which obviously we're in the website, so that doesn't make sense. But let's say it's an error. They get some error, they don't know what to say. Error received on website, need help fixing this fast. Customers can't purchase product, right? That sounds serious, right? As soon as you hit submit, boom, come right in here. It's on the list because that's where I set it to go. Done. Holy crap. This is serious, right? Got it. And that's the way that works. So it's really, really awesome to have advanced stuff like this, but it's really, really simple to set up. So if you guys have any questions, concerns, comments, complaints, no worries. Just post them below, and I'll do what I can to answer them. All right, guys. Thanks.